Hello and welcome everybody. SoFi stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step. So according to what we want to see, the stock is going to be very fine next time, next days. So like, subscribe first time. Okay, we go for 4 hours update. So that goes to be the meaning of what is SoFi stock going to be. I think this is going to be for the price that would happen actually after this increase. And okay, this circle here, okay, and here, and this is going to be about the SoFi regulation, okay, for this movement. So that goes to be the meaning of the spike, the decrease that happened on SoFi for this period, and this increase. This can be the same manner that can happen is during this decrease. It will happen during the increase.